the slanderous, divisive, and rabid statement of Sri Subhash Velingkar on the sacred relics of internationally revered Saint Francis Xavier deserves to be strongly condemned, and strict action should have followed. The attempt of Sri Subhash Velingkar to rake up the purported forced conversion during the Portuguese regime is nothing but an attempt to cover up the present conversion of land and destruction of pristine land of Goa. Therefore, it can be presumed that Sri Subhash Velingkar is hired by a person from within the government to divert people's attention from the present destruction of conversion and pristine land of Goa. TMC demands strict action to be taken against this rabid, mentally unsound personality.